Feel that? Reel it in, yep. Take your time. Bring him over here, bring his ass. You stay right here. When he comes to the surface and we're able to see him, you stay right here, okay? Keep doing what you're doing, go. Walk with him, bring him in closer. I know he's a big guy. Again, let's tighten up that drag a little bit. One click. Go ahead. We'll do the lifting technique as well. And then on downward, yep, more faster downward. Or you're doing the good speed, just you can't be plucking them around like that. If you bring them up, you bring him down back slowly and you reel it in at the same time, Gorda. Good girl. You don't just go and then, because he won't stay on that. Go ahead.
I see it.
Give me a second. Just hold him there. It is. It's a huge catfish. Holy fuck. I'm gonna get the net. It's huge. It's the biggest one I've ever caught. Like, ever. Just wait right there. Keep the tension. Don't let him loose. Yep. POV of this nigga running right now. Over here off of Coffice Road, Taft Prison, Bakersfield, California. Our girl just got our first fish, and it's huge. Woo! He's still right there, Gorda. He's still right there. Keep the tip up. Not too high, but just make sure you don't give him that restraint to whip again. Because the more he whips, the more that hook comes out. I'm gonna go behind him, okay? Keep his head this way, towards you. Yep. Keep that restraint for me. I'm gonna go by his tail. That's all you need to do. You don't need to pull him more. You don't need to do nothing. Come here, kitty. Keep that restraint. Pull him in, pull him up. A little bit more. You could tighten that knob a little bit. Righty tighty, 2 clicks. The top, baby, the top of it. Oh, you're doing it, yep. There. Bring him back over here. Nope. Come here, little guy. Go ahead, reel in it. Give me a second. Hey, fucker. I got it. Woo! Here.
It's huge, Josh.
Yeah, reel in it.
Joshua, that's huge.
You did it the other way. You did lefty-loosey. All right. Come on, baby. Let's walk him. Good girl. That is huge, huh? They're supposed to be massive over here. I think this is where your papa caught his.
You didn't even eat all his chicken liver.
Nah, he got hooked. That's why. I think he's been trying to run the whole time. He's fucking huge. He's the biggest one I caught. It's a bullhead, I think. Nah, it's a channel cat. I was saying it's a bullhead because look at how wide his mouth is. It's good eating today.
Is it in his eye?
No, it's right in his lip, in the corner of his mouth, exactly where it needed to be.
You're gonna keep him?
Yeah. Yep, this is your fish. First fish ever. You're gonna be able to hold him too. I'm gonna get him out. It looks like a nice size, like 13, 14 inches. It looks like a nice size. Like 13, 14 inches. I'll tell you, I got a scale and a measuring tape. You did good, mama. So that's what you need to do with these bigger ones, you feel me? And when they get bigger, they just run more. So you got to follow them so you can catch up, you know?
Dude, you looked up my back this fall, and shit was bent
In half, huh?
Yeah.
And it was a small one. So that's why I keep, the reason why I didn't stress on it is because this tension was so nice. It wasn't going to pull it out of that stick. It was only going to pull the wire. You feel me? So that's why I wasn't stressed on it leaving. But you always adjust it. Nah, he'll be okay. Hi, buddy. He's fucking huge. Fucking huge, Nina. Holy fucking shit.
You didn't even pick it up with your hands,
Motherfucker's huge. Let's go over here more. Yeah, he's strong. He was waiting for me. I'm gonna get the tweezers real quick. Okay, he's huge. He's bigger than my hands right now. I can't wrap my hands around him. He's wide. Oh, let's see. Put this in your mouth, buddy, for my lady. She's gonna pick you up.
Some monsters now, Josh?
Yeah, they're breeding. Perfect. There we go. Good to go there. There's a fucking wasp in my fucking eye. Damn, these bugs are attracted to the light. That sucks. Look at it. Look at. This is why we caught the tension right. Come here. Look at how it was hooked. It was barely hooked in his skin. Imagine if we had it tighter, it would have came right out. So this is why we did it the way we did. We do it nice and slow. Fast is not always the right way. Hardest part. Oh, almost got it in his eye. Big ass motherfucker. Alright, put that pole down. Here, girl. He's strong. Here, squeeze it.
It looks pregnant.
Squeeze it.
It's a her.
Good girl. Nice size. Wow, look at that. Higher, higher. Hold it up higher. I want to see. Wow, look at you. You guys are beautiful. Let's see how long she is. Hold it. And then we'll weigh her. Up again. She is. Dun dun dun. Go. She is 2 feet long.
Damn. You're a big girl. Look at your belly.
Let's weigh her right here. And she weighs 2.5, 3 pounds. Damn, big mama.